Tropical Temple here in SIARGAO is really giving Pagpasok mo pa lang, tingnan mo, ang ganda ng pag-greet sa'yo ng lobby niyan. And pag sa labas niya, yes, they have pool, they have a sidebar. Yes, you're like in a garden here. You're in the Tropical Temple garden. Ang bongga, di ba? Look at it. Boosh. I'm super loving the trees talaga. Okay, syempre, the most important part here is the room tour. So guys, this is a normal room. Ganito po yung itsura niyan. Pwede ka magpa-extra bed dyan. It is giving lahat air-conditioned. And you will also have a balcony outside. Now, this is a deluxe room. So if you're on your honeymoon, pwedeng-pwede to. Mas malaki to. Syempre, everything that you need will also be here air-conditioned. Ang kanyang CR and restroom, dalawa, may his and hers. Nandiyan yung bowl mo, may bidet rin po siya dyan. May tubig provided at safety deposit. At saka you have your own balcony. Welcome drinks are always provided. And yes, guys, I'm telling you, masarap to. Makikita mo dito sa mukha ko, happy ako dyan. And sa gabi, guys, maganda rin ang ambience niya.